Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Just a friendly reminder, you do need to replace the battery in your RV smoke detector. Anytime I work on a motorhome, I'll actually come and I'll open it and look at it. And as you can see here, this one doesn't even have a battery in it. So most likely, maybe one time they were cooking, it went off, they forgot to put the battery back in. I do not recommend this. I do recommend checking it before each trip. This could literally save your life. So I hope you guys will take the time, share this video, give it a thumbs up with all of your friends and family that own RVs, because you don't know, you might just save their life. Time and time again, I'm coming inside these RVs and seeing that the battery's been removed from the smoke detector. Another thing you always want to check is the actual carbon monoxide detector. As I can see here, the customer has removed this one. It's still wired up, but for some reason it looks like he ran some wire behind it and some other things. I'll have a talk with him about that, but you can push test on that too and make sure that's working, because carbon monoxide is the silent killer, and you never know if you're breathing carbon monoxide because you cannot smell it. Another thing we want to check is our fire extinguisher. Is the date code on the fire extinguisher still good? Does it read full? Sometimes just because it reads full doesn't mean that it'll actually work. There is a shelf life for some fire extinguishers in RVs. This is another thing that can save your life. I tell a lot of people that own motorhomes that you should keep a fire extinguisher in your bedroom as well. One that's a little bit larger than this. You could fight your way out of a fire if you needed to, and it could be the difference between escaping the RV and not escaping the RV. So I thought, we just do a quick safety video, and that's kind of my safety video, you guys. I hope you'll consider sharing it with your friends and family, and let's see if we can't get some better safety measures going on. Today we're just working on a Forester by Forest River Class C. So everybody's at their storage, pulling their rig, getting it ready for the travel season. So share this with your mom, your dad, your cousin, your friend, and literally save their lives. Until next time, guys, I really appreciate everybody watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you that has subscribed. For more DIY tips, go ahead and give us a subscribe, and if you give this video a thumbs up, it actually helps more people see it, and we can save more lives. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Safe travels out there.